In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open multiple inboxes in Microsoft Outlook. If you manage more than one email account, being able to see two inboxes at the same time can make your day a lot smoother. By the end, you'll have both inboxes open in separate Outlook windows and arranged side by side for easy comparison and quick triage. First, make sure both accounts are already added to Outlook. You don't need to do anything new here. Just confirm they appear in the left-hand panel, sometimes called the folder pane. You should see each mailbox listed with its own set of folders underneath. If you only see one, pause here and add the missing account before continuing. Next, expand each mailbox in the left pane so you can clearly see the inbox folder for both accounts. If the folders aren't visible, click the small arrow or caret next to the mailbox name. Expanding now will save time and help you avoid clicking the wrong spot later. Now, click the inbox for the first mailbox to make it the active view. This simply ensures Outlook is focused where you expect it to be, and it gives you a baseline window to keep open while you bring up the second inbox. With the first inbox selected, move to the second mailbox in the left pane. Right-click directly on its inbox folder, not the top-level mailbox name, and choose Open in New Window. Outlook will launch a separate window dedicated to that second inbox. This is the key step that allows true side-by-side viewing, because each inbox now lives in its own independent Outlook window. Finally, resize the two windows and place them side by side. If you're on Windows, you can drag one window to the left edge of the screen until it snaps to fill that half. Then drag the other window to the right edge. On a Mac,